Welcome to this luxury property situated in Artudia. With 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, this property could be the perfect one for you. The 4,480 metre square plot is fully landscaped and provides stunning Mungo and sea views. Come in and take a look around. In the living area, there is beautiful high ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows allowing extra light. There's also a wood burner fireplace. Here we have the fully fitted kitchen, which is equipped with top quality appliances. Leading down the corridor, we have 3 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. And here we have the master ensuite bedroom, which also has another bedroom behind, which is currently being used as an office space. As you enter through the electric gates, it takes you to 2 large double garages and plenty of storage space. And a spacious carport.